Assalamu alaikum. I am reading a report from Deccan Chronicle, Chennai. Please listen to it. Alimony law, religion neutral, open for Muslim women, Supreme Court. Divorcee can seek maintenance under CRPC or 1986 law. Rakesh K. Singh, DC. In a landmark verdict reminiscent of the Shah Banu case, the Supreme Court on Wednesday ruled that a Muslim woman can seek maintenance from her husband under Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code, CRPC, holding that the religion-neutral provision is applicable to all married women irrespective of their faith, underscoring that maintenance is not charity but the right of all married women. A bench of Justice B.V. Nagaratna and Augustine George Masih said the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986, enacted to overturn the 1985 Apex Court ruling in the Shah Banu case, allowing her maintenance lawsuit, will not prevail over the secular law. Passing the path-breaking order, the top court dismissed the petition of Muhammad Abdul Samad, who had challenged a Telangana High Court order refusing to interfere with the maintenance order of the family court. While pronouncing the verdict, Justice Nagaratna said, "We are hereby dismissing the criminal appeal with a major conclusion that Section 125 will be applicable to all women. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 will not prevail over the secular and religion-neutral provisions of Section 125 of the CRPC. The two judges gave separate but concurring verdicts. The erstwhile Section 125 of the CRPC, which deals with a wife's legal right to maintenance, covers Muslim women, the bench said. The bench said, insofar as divorced Muslim women are concerned, Section 125 of the CRPC, which deals with maintenance of wife, children, and parents, applies to all such Muslim women, married and divorced, under the Special Marriage Act. If Muslim women are married and divorced under Muslim law, then Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code, as well as the provisions of the 1986 Act, the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act, are applicable. The option lies with the Muslim divorced women to seek remedy under either of the two laws or both laws. This is because the 1986 Act is not in derogation of Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code, but in addition to the said provision, the bench said.